Good morning, students. Welcome back to GK class. Today we are going to discuss another chapter of GK, which is the world geography. First of all, I would like to tell you what is the meaning of geography. Geography is the study of places and the relationship between the people and the environments. Geographers explore both the physical and the properties of Earth's surface and the human societies spread across it. Let's start and find out the facts about the diverse geography of planets Earth, volcanoes, oceans, seas, rivers, and many other explorers and more. So let's start and find out the various diverse geography of the world. Yes, student. First is volcano. A conical hill having a funnel shaped opening from which lava comes out is called volcano. As you can see in the picture, a volcano is a mountain that opens down to a pool of molten rock below the surface of the earth. And when the pressure builds up, eruptions occur. So what do you mean by eruption? An eruption is an explosion of steam and lava from a volcano. Gases and rock shoot up through the opening and spill over or fill the air with lava fragments. Volcano eruptions have been known to knock down entire forests. Yes, students. Next is delta. As you can see in the picture, the diagram of delta is also shown. River waters are always flowing towards a larger body of water like an ocean or a sea. Sometimes an area is created called a delta. Delta is an alluvial deposit formed at the mouth of a river. Alluvial means made up of sand and earth that is left by rivers or floods. And a delta is an area of low, flat and shaped like a triangle where a river splits and spread out into several branches before entering the next is snow line. What is snow line? As you can see in the picture, the permanent snow line is the level above which snow will lie all year. The climate snow line is the boundary between a snow-covered and snow-free structure, and an imaginary line beyond which snow never melts is called the snow line. Next is a deep and narrow river valley with steep bank is called a canyon. A canyon is a deep narrow valley with steep sides. Canyon comes from the Spanish word canon, which means tube or pipe. The term gorge is often used to mean canyon, but a gorge is always steeper and narrow than a canyon. Yes, students. Next is glaciers. A huge mass of ice and snow which moves slowly till it melts to form a river is called glacier. Glaciers are huge thick masses of ice. They form when lots of snow falls in one location for many years, and this compressed snow become ice and forming a glacier. The shaking of the earth is called an earthquake. Earthquakes are the shaking, rolling, or sudden shock of the earth's surface. They are the earth's natural means of releasing stress. More than a million earthquakes rattle the world each year, and earthquakes can be felt over large area, although they usually last less than 1 minute. Next is geyser. A fountain of hot water which gushes out from a deep hole in the earth's crust is called a geyser. A geyser is a rare kind of hot spring that is under pressure and erupts, sending jets of water and steam into the water. Geysers are made from a tube-like hole in the earth's surface that runs deep into the crust, and this tube is filled with water. Yes, student. Next is largest peninsula. As we have read this topic in the last video, largest peninsula, that is Arabian Peninsula. The largest peninsula in the world is the Arabian Peninsula. The Arabian Peninsula is connected to the mainland Asian continent and surrounded on all the sides by the Persian Gulf, the Arabian Sea and the Red Sea. It is located in the Middle East and comprises of 7 countries, including Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, UAE, Qatar. Yes, student. Last is the largest island. The largest island is the Greenland. The Greenland, which is located between the Arctic and the Atlantic Ocean and is the world's largest island. Over 80% of the Greenland is ice capped, meaning that is covered with ice all year round. So, students, I hope you must enjoy the video. Please read and revise the chapter again. Thank you and have a nice day.